Hello friends, welcome back to e-commerce project in Laravel 10. Last video we did in a admin side work as a slider. You can see it. Like we have created a new menu and after we did add and delete and we have provided like button name, button links we did in last video. So I already upload like a few images and few name of the title and after we did like a button name, button link. Okay. So in this video I will cover front side dynamic. Like we need to show here all the slider whatever you uploading here. So before we can start, you are new in the channel or in the series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever content we are uploading, so always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script? Just go to our official website errorsolutioncode.com and you can buy it here. And do you want to develop as a freelancer work? Just contact Skype, WhatsApp and Telegram. Let's start now. So first we can go to home page, means whatever place there our control inside home. So just go to app http controller, inside you can see home controller. Okay, so here we can make query. So we need to call here our model first, after we can do it query. So app model, and here I can do slider model, because of we have already did in last video. You can see it model inside slider model. So just copy this one and here you can make the data get slider models. Inside we need to create a new function. I think it's already there, but I can show you. So but do you want to go app http inside a model, inside you can see slider model. Here you can see it get record active. This is the function already done. Suppose it is not deleted, also is already active, means status is equal to 0 means active, and is the order by the ascending order. So whatever there we need to show first order by ascending. Suppose you want to make descending order, so your decision, but I always like a ascending order. Just I copy this function name and I can put here because of already there. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page. It's working, not working. Simple, I go back and refresh the page. So you can see no any error, means working very well. Now we need to go back to home, resources, views. Inside you can see it home.blade.php. Here you can see it like our URL, like first slider, second slider and third slider. Okay, so we need to check what is the different for this slider. Here is already there now, so we don't want to change anything for this here. Just we need to write here code. So I can make like for each dollar get slider has a dollar slider. Now we can make here and for each. Okay, and for each. Let's go back again, refresh the page. So here we have put data is working, not working, so we can understand better way. Let me go to back and refresh the page here. So here showing 3 here, so we can understand is 6 there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 is working very well. You can see it here. Okay, is very well working. So right now fifth one is 3 this one and 2 means this one, because admin side you can see it here, 3 record there and 2 records is the bottom there, you can see it here. Okay, so let's make a dynamic for the h1 tag. We don't want to need like s3 tags, so just you can remove, and here we need to make like dynamic tags. So simple, you can put, and also I can use HTML. Sometimes do you want to add a BR in a admin side, so you can do it. So slider, dollar slider, and here you can put title, title, and just go back again, refresh the page. So we can check titles available or not available. Just refresh the page. So living rooms, here is the new arrivals, and here is the outstanding dooring. So but do you want to go back again and edit for these ones? Okay, and here you can put like a BR, and you can put here like e-commerce. Whatever name do you want to like, you can do it. I just need to show better way. Living room e-commerce, otherwise furniture, whatever do you want to like, you can do it. Here you can see BR. Okay, just go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see is a new line work automatic. This reason I have write script for the coding wise. Same thing, and copy for this one, and here you can put like a button name, and here we need to put 2 condition, and here I don't need HTML, so just you can remove directly simple way, and just also you can remove simple way. Okay, and also you need to provide a button link. So just remove the category.html and you can provide here button link. Now we need to make condition. If button link and button name is not empty, so we need to show this button, otherwise we don't want to show this button. So just I put is not empty button link and is not empty button name. So going to inside, otherwise no need to go inside. Here I can make and if. Okay, so here is a both condition checks, and I don't think we need this one, so just remove this one. Also comment out code, and also we don't need like a bottom all the like a two extra, they're static, so just remove this one also. And I don't think we need a like static images, we also need to make put our dynamic images. If sorry, not if, value, sorry, we need to change here value to slider. I just made a mistakes. Okay, slider, here I can put get image. Simple, you can do it same as above, like here get image. And also I am thinking you just need to put here condition, sometime image you upload and sometime not found images, then the issue, better we can put here condition, if is not empty image, so it's going to inside, otherwise no need to go inside. Okay, so I like it this condition. Do you want to add, so you can add, do you want to no add, so this is your decisions. I always do condition wise works, I don't want to make a mix up these reasons. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page here and we can check it's working, not working. I just refresh the page, so 100% is working very well, you see. Let's go back again and I edit for this last, and I just remove this button name, and I also need to remove button link and update the records. Okay, now I'm going to back again, refresh the page here, so you can see last record not showing the button name, means it's working very well. And also we need to remove this the required field for the, so it's not working. Let's remove this required field, sometimes people don't want to show for this one name, so we need to remove this required field only admin side. So just go to admin, inside you can see it like a slider, inside add, just remove this title inside required. I don't think people need to add sometime these reasons. Okay, after your decisions, image always need, so I just remove. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page and I just remove this one and I submit the page. So here title not showing but image showing. Let's go back again, refresh the page, so here you can see it here, you see, like look like an image only need to show these reasons. Let's remove this both and we can make a big slider. I don't want to make like small slider, always need to show big, so here I can make 12, lg is equal to, and just go down here and you can remove for this 4. Do you want to leave it, so you can leave it, do you want to make your own way dynamic, so you can leave it, but I don't think need, this reason I am removing. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page, so we can check how it looks. So slider now it look like a good, you see, like bigger sliders. Whatever decide, do you want to put, you can put, so do you want to think it's not good, so you can remove. And also we can put like a big slider like a full screen, also possible. I can show you how it's possible. Here is a container there, so also you can remove this container class. Okay, and just save this file and just go back and refresh the page, so you can see like a big slider. Sometimes you see his website is showing look like a big slider. And also do you want to remove this space above one, so here is the p at 5 like this there pending, so just remove this class, so you can see removed and going to big up. Whatever do you want to like, you can do it. I just show you the example like this, you can do it also. And do you want to remove this bottom one, so also can possible. Okay, but we also need to make a dynamic, so I don't want to remove. Let's go control J container and refresh the page, so you can see it here. Okay, so this is the simple works, and here you can see it like a dynamic. Let's show you is active inactive. I am going to back and I can make for the new arrival inactive. So front side we don't want to show because of is inactive. Just go back again, refresh the page, so here you can see only 2 sliders showing, you see, because of inactive. Here you can go back and check for the get record active function. Inside we have made already condition where, so not here, sorry, just go to slider inside and here you can see it where is equal to slider dot status is equal to 0, so we need to get data, means is the only need to show active record. So in this video I will explain how to make a dynamic slider admin to front. So admin side we did last video, and in this video I did front side. So next video we can continue next part, like logos. Here you can see it logo, like this is our partner, this is our partner, this is the partner. So we need to create admin. You just need to upload this logo, and also you need to provide link. Suppose link there, so we can redirect. Suppose link not there, so we can't redirect. We can make like this in next video. Just copy for the slider work and we can put here. It's very simple, very easy. After your decision, what do you need? Okay, do you want to put, you can put. Do you want to don't like, so you can not like. Suppose I can remove, so we can remove. And do you want to make a big slider, also you can do it. But suppose I'm going to my small screen, so look like also good. After your decision, I don't think this space is look like a professional, so just remove this space above one, like a feet to 5. I just remove this space. Okay, I don't like these reasons, and I just refresh the page, so it look like show. I think I also don't like container. Let's remove this container. Okay bro, and I refresh the page, so you can see look like a bigger one. Whatever, you can decide your side. I think sometime thinking like bigger one, like sometime we are thinking not like, so it is the your decisions. I just make control Z and I can put here 3. So let's go back again and we can refresh the page. So this is the space also I remove like a smaller, same like here their space. Okay, so I hope you are clear about the dynamic how we did. And here is also link work, like we already did link is the same link whatever here there, so we did same link. Okay, so I hope you are clear about the how to make a slider dynamic admin to front, and also how to make a slider for title and links. Next video we can cover for this logo, and also we need to provide a links. So do you have any question for this video, so please comment out. And do you want to like this video, so please like. And do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching Error Solutions.